Today is the day. Let's get that medical examination so that we can now be approved to go to Australia for that visa. But before we can be approved, we have to finalize this and get this all done. It's going to be about 2 hours to complete. Got a full medical examination and a chest x-ray to make sure that I do not have tuberculosis. Hopefully I do not. That'd be awesome. Forgot to also mention, got the awesome denim on denim for some bonus points. So hopefully the doctor will also give us some leeway. Don't know what that's supposed to mean. What's that supposed to mean? I don't know. All right, well, it's about that time. It's about that time to get out and get to this place now. Get my passport, get my photos. Can't believe I showed up an hour early to this thing. This is how like punctual and weird I am. I have to show up extra early just to accommodate for like traffic and stuff, which I know Monica, on the other hand, when she does her stuff, she doesn't care if she's late. She doesn't care. Well, I guess she does care, but last minute she'll show up, or even just like completely late. So I can't live like that. I can't do that. She can, I can't. Whatever. Okay. That's the man right there. Holy, elevator was taking way too long. And now the people's going downstairs and the people going upstairs. But I don't want to go down first, I have to go up first. Third floor, almost there. Most exercise I got all week. Jeez. That was a half hour of just waiting. Now I have to fill out the whole medical sheet. A whole pee cup. I'm really hoping it does not take 2 hours, because what time is it? 3:40? 3:40. See how this goes.
So you're going for just working holiday?
Yeah, girlfriend and I. She should be here tomorrow.
Okay.
At 1:30.
Now, were you overseas recently or anything like that?
This was 3 years ago.
And where were you?
I was Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia.
So you know, when you're there, they were about tuberculosis. That's the
Yeah,
thing, you know.
I was kind of like, shit.
Yeah, same thing with her, I guess, right? She's been
Yeah,
overseas.
yeah, she was there.
So I guess you've got the travel bug in you, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
All right.
Yeah, her and I both.
All right, okay. So this is your healthy guy, Austin. So all we need to do is 2 things, please.
Yeah.
Go to the basement, okay, and do chest x-ray downstairs. This is for TB, that's first.
Okay.
You finish from there, then you go to the lab across the street, just for a pee sample, okay?
Okay.
Take that container with you,
Okay.
okay? And then you can go home.
You wait half an hour in there for 3 minutes, and then I'm gone. Easy. Now I have to go downstairs to the basement, get my chest x-ray, and then I have to go across the street and give them the pee sample. And then in about a week or so, I'll know if I'm all healthy. And I should be. Should be. I am. Go from an even smaller waiting room to a box of a waiting room. All right, now that's done. Another half hour waiting around and 2 seconds of processing. Anyways, got that all taken care of. You can see that photo of my lungs right here. Pretty cool, actually. No tuberculosis in sight. Wow, what a shock. Oh man, thank God. It's only a urine sample, so in and out. No big deal if I can find the cup. What an experience for today. I'm glad it's over. I want to go home. Oh my goodness, tickets? No tickets. Awesome. Hey guys, forgot to add at the end, the total came to $680. The 417 working holiday visa was $400 and the medical exam was $280. So I just wanted to squeeze that in at the end. And also remember that not everyone is gonna have to do that medical exam. Just precaution, but thanks for watching.